Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're back Junkyard picking again. Saw a couple of cars in the inventory today that I felt like checking out just to get some spare parts and just some more stuff to collect at the house and for the shop and just to mess with. So today what I found was this Touareg right here. So it's the same Volkswagen Touareg that I found a couple months ago that had those 17Z calipers. So I've got the front and the rear, and I've got all the right tools, so we're gonna go ahead and pull this today. So it looks like these are in pretty good condition, not much corrosion. Looks like it's a Florida car, so all the calipers look like they're in really good shape. They might be better shape than the ones I got last time, but yeah, hopefully I get these for a good deal today and we'll pull them out. Damn it, we ran into a little problem. Looks like this thing's got wheel locks on it and the key is nowhere to be found in the car. Great. I'm gonna try to hammer in a socket and see if I can get it out with a socket. Damn it, I got the key, came back another day and someone already got these things off and took them. Damn it, they still left the rears, but they got the other one that I saw up front. I have to go find one more. Damn it, too late. Somebody took them all. Yeah, I still can't believe my junkyard had 3 Touaregs in the same week and someone got all 3 of them before I had a chance to come out here. It's been like 2 or 3 days since these posted. This is that original one. It's probably back a week later with the key, but someone else had rigged that to get on. I'm just gonna go ahead and take these rear ones right now and just call it a day. Maybe I'll do something with these rear ones. So I got it all off. We're just gonna get these as an extra set just to play around with. Wish I could have gotten the front. So this is the only score I got today. The rear Touareg 17Z calipers. There's another set up front that's still on the car. I'm not sure if I want to take them because they charge like almost $75 here for this set, and I really don't need 2 of them for that price when I could try to get some cheaper ones. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty much failure. Somebody else in my town must be searching for these same 17Zs because yeah, I waited for that lock to come here and someone else got to that, and then the one up front, it looks like one of them didn't have locks, so they got that pretty easily, and the other one had the locks. They were lucky they had the locks inside the glove box, so they got that set. So I'm gonna just go around scavenging for other parts for my projects, but thanks for watching guys, and I'll talk to you guys next time.